Welcome back to episode 3 on the topic collaboration and personal insight. The synergy of collaboration with creative partners and mind is instrumental in forging the design solution that are not only impeccable but also resonate deeply with our narrative that we have created. This was achieved with a purposeful design narrative that steers the direction, ensuring every element of the design are with our strategic idea and vision. Well, in the past decade, there is a surge of young designers that have brought forth to this creative industry. But what we have noticed, most designers are very inspired by Pinterest, which have some impact in terms of the design originality. So I would like to strongly suggest that try to be more original in whatever we do, like an artist, where your voice are heard. You design your work based on how you feel, how you want to express on your design. But of course, you can use Pinterest to support your idea, but not Pinterest come first. Be passionate to travel to as many places as possible. Spaces are designed by great master, by great architects or great designer or even great artists. Being there, feeling the space, going through the whole experience is very, very important. I'm super passionate about conferences because I've gone through the journey of learning from different masters by attending the conference, not only in Malaysia, but being out there to really connect to all the great designers and really have a good heart-to-heart talk with them. And in fact, I've met a lot of great friends attending the conference. So I think that's a place where you can connect to the like-minded people in the creative industry. Thanks so much for tuning in to my last episode of the Mini Masterclass by Niro Ceramic Group on hospitality design.